I guess you can pretty much guess what I'm about to do here. Getting ready to start on next year's, well, this summer time, and starting on the back here. So what you're seeing there is the making of the pool that's going to be here. So getting ready to install a pool, and in addition to that, replace all the windows back here. So needless to say, it's a huge daunting task to get this all done, but it should be nice by the time the summertime get here. And I just wanted to let you guys see a before picture. Now, as you can see, there's not a lot of landscaping back here because I knew that there was going to be a pool back here, so didn't quite know how I wanted to have it done. See some cars back there at the trail behind the house, but at any rate, replacing these windows, all the windows at the bottom, because they were looking like this. They are shot. They're gone. They're letting all kinds of air in. So looking forward to get that done. And I just want to get a before video before all the construction and stuff. Okay, we got the pool stuff here, and I'm about to try to get this stuff cleaned up back here. There's a lot of stuff all over the place, but it's at the back and I really don't care. But now with the new things coming in, I'm gonna have to tidy it up. These are the new windows that I have going on here. Went ahead and had more of the window split down at the bottom, and we have a couple doors with the blinds already in the inside, and this is going to be a replacement for all the windows at the bottom here. We're doing this in phases. We're going to do this bottom first, then we're going to do the front. And of course, I'm actually standing in what's going to be the pool here. A lot of work coming for 2021. All right, to give you a better look at these windows, these are vinyl. These are not vinyl windows. These are actually aluminum windows. And the reason why I got the aluminum is because I don't like vinyl. The places around here only had a couple color options, and it didn't come in this dark brown color. So I wanted to go with the same color that was already on the house, and it goes with the decor of this house, the look of it. Vinyl windows with the white are give you a better look. Vinyl windows, white and almond, off-white and all that other stuff, it's not going to set it off. So that's why I went with the aluminum windows and the color. So looking forward to getting this in here. This is I'm also doing the top, so we're just pretty expensive for this, so we have to nick at it here and there. In a couple months we'll do the front, and then at the end of the year we'll have the upstairs done in the sides.